Call his name. Go something, I don't know. He's not coming, is he? They're fucking pointing, you dumbass. Oh my god. You're not gonna go get a candy cane, you dipshit? I'm not going. I have no bra on. I wanna go. Are you recording? No. Sarah! Go see him. Where he goes? Go. Go, please. I'm scared. Please. I would go, but I have no bra on. Look, Jason's going. I'm scared of Santa. I would go, but my hair looks like shit, and I have no fucking bra on. Let's just go. Please. Santa. He's so fucking nerdy. You ain't getting no presents for Christmas now, you naughty little girl. Oh my god. Look, Spear, there's candy canes right there. Those are fake. I have real ones in my house. Let's go. I'm gonna lock you out. You're gonna freeze because you have shorts. Look, there's Jason's brother! Fucking nerd. Hi, Steven. Thank you. Hi, I got a candy cane. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Bye. Santa came! Lock the door! Oh, you recorded this whole shit? I can't believe he actually gave me out as a candy cane.